Hi there, Workshop of Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me again. Been quite busy in the workshop, not necessarily making knives. I've been trialing a few little products. Trialing with the laser, and I'll just show a few things I've come up with. This is for the store, so I've not got just knives wares on a stall, as it were. So I've got a slate coaster with the emblem on, which I'm, goodbye. And the other thing is trying to come up with a simple strop. I concentrating at the present time with a sort of pocket strop or a pack strop. I've done a few trials with hardwood and I've done it with ply. Now, actual manufacture of it doesn't make much difference because I've got a circular saw and a bit of sanding and a touch of oil. But for ease of construction, like I can get hold of ply a lot easier. I've come up with this kind of width size ply strop, and it functionally I can't tell much difference between a ply and hardwood. So I've gone through and I've done a batch of them, considering that what I was sort of been using outdoors, if I'm in the garden or if I'm gone camping or something. I've been able to use this, which is the work sharp traveling sort of thing for when you're putting it in a pack. Now the strop on that is only this big, and I've been able to use it on all sorts of size paraphernalia, so much so that it's come off. So I put my own one on there. It's had a hard life, and I've got on with a strop only that big. So using a strop, kind of, you can tell the size, sort of comparable, but it's at least twice the size of what that little strip is on there. Functionally, method-wise, something this big is plenty good enough, considering you're outdoors. In your pack, in your pocket strop. Okay, with a lanyard on, I've cut a little notch out there so that when it lies down flat on something, if you find a stile or a fence post or a flat rock, it will actually lie flat. You're not rocking on the lanyard. I'm only using Ultrasol at the moment, but you can use your chromium oxide cutthroat razor compound. You could put your polishing compound on there. Whatever you want to use will embed into the leather. So I'm just using Ultrasol. If you're going to use it for food, you want to use some other form of compound so it's food safe. So I'm going to have a collection of these on the stall with the prepper meat. I've got some slightly longer ones just for the piece of ply that I had, so quite long. Little laser emblem on there, and I've got 3 I think that are slightly smaller. Again, it's personal preference. Is knowing how proficient you are with stropping, but I could strop a machete with something this big. It's there's no disrespect the other way, but I know I can get away with that. You don't necessarily need a big hardwood block. That's more for a workshop or base camp. Okay, so pocket strop, pack strop, be available on my stall. Forward to seeing everybody there, and just to get me over the finishing line, so to speak, and keep the lights on, I want to offer this one quick sale if I possibly can. It's a Merlin Galahad with a leather sheath, belt loop with a D, very nice, lovely wood. Brass pins, and I say just to get me over the finishing line, I'm asking 175 posted UK. Okay, which is a pretty good deal for a handmade knife and a leather sheet in the UK. Oh yeah, very good. So if anybody's up for that, just quick sale. Just raising funds, keep the lights on, keep the grinder running. Yeah, looking forward to meeting it. If you want to join for another couple of updates, hopefully something else coming in the next few days. Hoping to get another little element, just so there's something a bit more flavour on the table. Keep updates with Funky as to what are being offered, who's going and everything with the prepper meet in Mid Wales coming up on the 20th. But thanks for joining me again. Just a little update on what's going on. Hopefully see everybody at the prepper meet. If you want to watch something else, there should be another vid or two, sort of thing you might want to see. Thanks for dropping in. See you on the next one. It's got Wessex Blades 8.